Today I want to review my purchase from Vitacost. This is Vitacost Whole Food Woman's Daily Multivitamins. You're supposed to take it once daily, and it has and it's vegetarian, and it has really great ingredients besides all the vitamins. And I don't know if you can see it, but it has vitamin E, which is natural. Vitamin E, which is most of the time it's hard to find if you buy it at a regular grocery store. Well, and it has vitamin A, and you can take just one per day. And it has all the vitamins, and you can find it on their site. But also what I like a lot about this, it's because it has stress energy support blend, hormone support blend, immune support blend, and also turmeric and ginger. All ingredients organic. So I was very excited about this when I ordered, but then I received it. I was really disappointed because the size, I was going to use it for me and my daughter, but so the size of a pill is huge, like you see. So I swallow one, almost choke on this, and I was like, I'm not doing this. And then I tried to give it to my daughter, and she said, no, I can't. So unfortunately, we can't use this one. But I mean, if you're fine to swallow a big pill, you would I think you would really enjoy it, because it's really good ingredients. Because I was looking for, that's why I bought it, but for me, it just didn't work.